This lesson covers the deprecated items for the FileMaker 18 platform. Be sure to check out the description for links to all of the new feature videos and the free course at Productive Computing University for all the videos in one place. Perhaps you don't look too closely at these, but I would highly recommend that for each version, just because there may be things that are kind of life-changing. I mean, you have the peer-to-peer sharing, which is kind of a hot topic, and maybe we'll have to do a whole other lesson on that specific one. But end of life for Swedish server is kind of drastic. It's still available in the clients. You have end of life for FileMaker 15 coming in September 20th. But this little one here, support for Mac OS Sierra 10.12. On my particular machine, it could not update to the next operating system. So just this one little change required a whole new computer setup to be able to run FileMaker 18. So while it may not affect you directly, you probably want to make sure any of your clients or devices that are around are all up to speed. And previously deprecated in FileMaker 17, which was Photoshop images, that has been reinstated in FileMaker 18. At the moment, these specifications as far as the deprecated items can be found in the sample file. They're kind of strewn around throughout this, and you've got a note here that this is deprecated, and up in another spot it says that Sierra 10.12 is no longer supported. So these are not just questions that might show up for certification, although that may be something you'll want to take a look at here. These are actual things that can cause some frustration and inconvenience in your clients or devices. And those are your deprecated items. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the description for links to other new feature videos for FileMaker 18 and the free course at Productive Computing University for all of the videos in one place, as well as other courses to enhance your skills as a FileMaker developer.